you can address the problems and suffering of your life from a physical perspective or from the mind-body perspective. Or you can also discover what is unfolding at the level of your consciousness, and through the power of the divine, create miracles in your life. Sometimes the root of your problems can be traced back to a samskara from your childhood or a vasana from an earlier life. Sometimes it could be a karmic residue. Sometimes it could be a block of subtle energy. The most complex, comprehensive, and the most miraculous is when you approach the problems of your life through the power of the divine. When you access the power of the divine or the universal intelligence, you push your life into a miracle zone. Let me explain this to you. Some of your emotional experiences are like small waves or ripples or bubbles. They appear, they go away. But certain other emotions create deep impressions. They are like the undercurrents or deep, strong force that pull you and hold you in them. You are sucked back into them again and again. They pretty much become your home state. You keep visiting, you keep revisiting these impressions, these emotional experiences again and again. These are samskaras. Samskaras flow into you through various important stages of development of your body. They are hidden, latent potentials from the past lives or this life, but they become activated when certain biological changes happen to you. An individual's brain continues to grow until they are 25 years old, and the frontal cortex is the last region to grow. As the brain grows and develops, taking in new experiences and assimilating them, the latent samskaras are activated, and not only that, new samskaras are also being formed. That is why in ancient India, there were several rituals that defined every stage of human life. Like the first time the baby eats, when the child begins formal education, puberty, marriage, childbirth. All were marked with very meaningful and sacred ceremonies that invoke divine grace into the individual's brain and consciousness to activate beautiful and auspicious samskaras and to dissolve the negative and destructive ones. That is the vision with which Sri Krishna Ji and I have opened Ekam ceremonies to the world. It is a sacred ceremony that you can participate in by connecting online, while the ceremony happens for you in Ekam Sanctum. Each ceremony is designed to bring auspicious samskaras into your consciousness. Powerful rituals performed to honor and celebrate the pivotal moments of your life. Every ceremony draws auspicious energies into you and your family members for the fulfillment of your great destiny on this earth plane. Ekam ceremonies connect you to the power of the Hiranyagarbha at specific muhurtas or time units, when the doors to the divine open for you to have a direct personal experience and receive blessings. These ceremonies are performed with greatest sanctity and profound dedication by disciples who are blessed by Sri Krishna Ji and me to serve humanity and the divine. Their prayers are heartfelt and powerful, owing to the sacred bond of connection they hold with the Antaryaman or the personal divine. You will be led through the sacred ceremonies of Vivaha Samskara or the sacred matrimony, Saptapadi Samskara, the renewal of the sacred marriage vows, Garbhadharana Samskara or the ceremony around pregnancy, Annaprasnam or partaking first food ceremony for your child, Namakarana or the naming ceremony, Medha Janana Samskara, the activation of intelligence, Punarnamakarana, a spiritual renaming ceremony for you, Shashtiyapta which is performed when either of the couple is celebrating the 60th birthday. Bhima Ratha Yatra, celebrating the 70th birthday. Mahaprasthana ceremony, which is performed in sacredness for the departed soul.
Japakusuma Puja, a special lamp ceremony on the 11th lunar day. Ayushya Homa, sacred ceremony around birth and annual birthdays for longevity and health. Mahaganapati Homa, for beginning anything new, and many more Ekam ceremonies, all performed in and around the sanctum of Ekam.
Come with your hearts open and partake the blessings from these Ekam ceremonies. They are immense spiritual experiences that will immerse you in deep states of prayer, shower you with love, abundance, and enlightenment.
From conception to departure, Ekam ceremonies bring the sacred into your life.